So how can you merge two videos into one onto the iPhone or using the iPhone? So let me explain it. And if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So we cannot do it through the built-in methods, right? You cannot just go to the photos and combine two videos in the gallery in here, but we need to use a third-party app, a video editor for it. So a few options with this, like if you go to the App Store, there are so many apps which claim to do it. I'm going to show you one or two which I think are actually worth it. The first one is called CapCut, which might be a little bit overwhelming. It is, you can see, a free app to get, even though there are plenty of paid features. But essentially, this is one of the apps which I would actually recommend you to get. So as you can see, I already have it on my phone, so I can open it up like this. And right now, once it loads up, you can see that I don't even have to be like sign in. I might get pop-ups or whatever. You can see it asks me to sign in, but I don't have to. You just need to click on a new video like that and then select the videos from the gallery. So let's say I pick this one and also this one, right? So I have two videos which I'm gonna add into the timeline like this. And I have them right in here. So I have this one and also this one. And there are so many effects and things you can add, like you can change the volume, add a text, play with the audio effects, transitions and everything. But let's say I'm happy with just this result. I have the video like this, the first one, the other one. Let's say I zoom it in to make it fill up the space. You can see that when I started, this is the video at the beginning. Now it crosses into the other one, and now I have these two videos. So at the end, there is a little watermark which kind of looks like this, but you can delete it, and all you have to do now is to click on export, and the video will now be put together. So when I leave the app and go to the photos, you're going to notice that the latest video is actually the one which I just combined. So at first it starts with this one, but then it switches to the other one. So I find this to be the easiest way to do it. Of course, the app is limited in the sense that if you want to be like very professional with it, and if you want to change the export settings and so on, you can see like AI, Ultra HD, frame rate and stuff. And if you know what you're doing, you will probably need to get the paid versions to get the most out of it. But for some basic edits like I've shown you, you can use it for free. So that's something which I would do. And then there is also the iMovie, which a lot of people like because it's made by Apple and it's like the default video editor which you can get on Apple devices. So as you can see, it works on the iPhone as well as on the iPad, and it's like fine. I mean, it also is very simple with some very simple editing, but the only downside to it is that you don't really have the ability to edit vertical videos. Like on a TikTok or Instagram Reels are in the vertical portrait format. Those cannot be edited or combined or merged, right, using this app. You can only merge horizontal videos, right? So I'm going to quickly show it to you. You have to give the app access, right? Let me just give it access to everything, right? And you can see that I can start a new project like this. Click on start a new movie like that, and as well I'm gonna select this video right in here, and also I don't know, like this one. And if I click on create a movie, you can see that it can only work in the landscape format. So that's like the only downside, but also it would work, like you can also put videos together and then export them. But yeah, that's something which I would not necessarily recommend you. And outside of that, there are so many other video editors, but those are the ones which a lot of people use. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you were able to merge videos together. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future uploads.